Hello everyone, my name is Irving Smith, and today I'll be talking about the evidence of evolution, theory of plate tectonics. What is evolution? Evolution is a genetic change in a population from one generation to another. Continuous evolution over many generations can result in the development of new species of plants and animals. So basically, in my definition is a gradual process in which something changes into a different or more complex form. And what that means is animals and plants evolve to get more complex, or get, in other words, better. So animals will get faster or smarter, and plants will have more techniques to make them grow better. And plants and animals aren't the only ones in this conversation. Diseases and viruses and bacteria can evolve too. They have evolved over time with us and plants. The evidence of evolution. There's a lot of evidence found about evolution, but these three, they kind of stand out to me. The fossil record. The fossil record is big to me, because that shows how organisms change over time during fossils. They found fossils of old reptiles and old mammals and even old human skulls, and how we change over time. The geographic distribution of related species. What this means is they find the same species of fossils in South Africa and South America, and that shows how animals evolve. The recorded genetic changes in organisms over many generations also is good evidence. The supercontinent Pangaea. Pangaea means all, or one mass. This supercontinent was formed about 270 million years ago. It's hard to believe, but trust me, 7 continents was all in one mass. And how they broken up is the question that many scientists and many students will ask, how did this happen? And over the years, Earth's mantle broke up and formed separate continents, and this is called continental drift. Continental drift. Let me zoom in for you so you can see the change, because change is the amazing thing. So this is Pangaea. As you can see, you can kind of see North America and Africa and South America, and all the other continents in one big landmass. Gradually over time, they begin to separate. The Earth's mantle crust break up. It, does all these crazy things under Earth that we can't see, of course. And now you get the real breakup. You get South America and Africa, North America, and Europe, Asia, everything. And as you can see, let me get my point out so I can show you what I'm talking about. South America and Africa fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. I mean, it's crazy that you wouldn't notice. You wouldn't notice if you looked at a map, but when you notice, every continent almost fits together perfectly, and that's another evidence of evolution and how the continents change with the species on them. Fossils in different regions of Earth. Let me zoom in for you. As I was saying, the species, this type of reptile was found in South Africa and in South America. We go over here, and as you can see in the green, it's a different type of reptile, but this reptile is found in 5 continents. It's found in South America, South Africa, lower parts of India, Antarctica, and Australia. So as you can see on this map, the species are on the same species, but found in different continents, and this is just more evidence of the term evolution and plate tectonics and how things change and evolve. The theory of plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a theory that the outer rigid layer of the Earth is divided into a couple of dozen plates, and they move around Earth's surface. Now these plates, you can't see the plates, of course, and you won't. They're under the ocean. You know, they're trenches, or you know, they're deep ridges under the ocean that you won't see. And Alfred Wegener first recognized how Africa and South America fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. And he made it clear that deep ridges in Earth's crust and Earth's waters break apart. And they basically spread, causing continents to shift slowly. These plates, they can spread, they can push them together, they can do a lot. When they push them together, they create a mountain. And when they spread apart, they make the continents drift slowly. This is not a fast process. As you can see, Pangea didn't take a couple months or a couple years. It took, you know, it's a long, slow process because these plates are gigantic and weigh a lot. So it's going to take a long time for these, you know, even to this day, they're finding evidence that the plates are still moving slowly. They're moving slowly, but they're still moving. So who knows? We could have a different continent, you know, in the next million years. And these are the plates. As you can see, this is a lot of plates. I mean, it's a lot of plates, and it's crazy to see how many plates they are. Let me zoom in for you. And these plates are found in the oceans on the Earth, and they're rigid. They're deep under the Earth's crust. And the only way you can see them is on a geosatellite, and scientists can see how they break apart and how they move basically. And just a little fun fact: there's the Juan de Fuca plate right along North America right there. It's a San Andreas fault, and scientists believe, and not in the hundreds of years, this plate could possibly break off and create, almost destroy California. I think that's kind of cool. But that's the end. You can use this video for other classes and other students. I'll be glad to share it. But this is the end of the theory of plate tectonics and more evidence of evolution. Thank you.